Continuing our global cooperation breakout session track, we're excited to provide a briefing on Japan's quantum ecosystem. Our speaker today is Masahiro Horibe, Deputy Director at G-QuAT, contributing to the development of quantum technology in the context of business with prior experience in coordinating efforts related to technology and business at METI in Japan. Please join me in welcoming Masahiro Horibe.
Okay. Thank you for introductions. I am Masahiro Horibe, who is the Deputy Director of G-QuAT. And so this center is just launched 2 months ago. Our center is basically focusing on not only the basic science research, but also the business creation. So the title is Japan's Quantum Ecosystem. So this title mentioned creating the worldwide collaboration to create an ecosystem. And then this ecosystem, Japan's ecosystem is not so special contents. It's almost a common issue in the world. So this morning, I ask you please image the future society created by the quantum technologies. So one of the answers is here. Then the quantum technology is just a tool. So it's an infrastructure of the future societies. And this technology creating the many values in each sectors. Here, each sectors is mobility, logistics, factories, and so on here. Then each area, each business area is not so domestic. Recently, it's worldwide business sectors. And then also the energy is very important. So supply chain is very important. And then the finance is now it's a worldwide market. And then we need the exchange of some information and the cooperation to develop the new solutions in each areas using the quantum computers and sometimes AI and also the HPCs. So what is the key item of the creating the quantum ecosystem? So one answer is here. So this is a Japanese government document. And then one important point is industry, academia, and the government should be collaborated. And then basically the academia is focusing on the basic science, and the industry is just interested about the business, and the government basically is the social security and something. And then those items is not individual. It's now is strongly linked. And then after that, creating the business market. Then collaboration, the communication with the industry and academia and the government is also very important. And also I mentioned the last slide, so each industrial sector is now global. Then the global collaboration in also the development also important in the quantum areas. And also our point is also important, and then I don't mention this time due to not enough time. Then in the ecosystem, so the 3 point is very important. It's creating supply chains, and then the reaching in the user. This means that's the valuable solutions and use case. And then as a result, the creating ecosystem is also important. So the last year and this year, the Japanese government published 2 national strategy. So this strategy contains these 3 items, and also the other country's national strategy, also the same content is included. And I'm sorry, I cannot cover every countries But so almost all countries have these 3 points should be important, they think. And then so the government level should be collaborated and communicated, and then the industry level also the important collaboration is industry level collaboration is also important to creating the supply chain and the secure supply chain and so on. Yeah. So this is one possibility shown here. So how to create the business ecosystem? So first of all, we have to create the market by various quantum technologies as soon as possible. So this means that direction here. So that we create and expand the market by using quantum technology in the near term and the medium term and the long term, and through the simulators. It's the so-called the GPU systems, and then the quantum annealing and the quantum gates computers. So this means that here, so we define first the social problem and the industrial requirements, and then we have to use the existing realistic computer resources. So for example, the classical solvers is not quantum computers, but the optimization solver or something, and then the simulators. It's a quantum simulators and the quantum annealing simulator and so on. And then after creating the new solutions, it is implement to the society and the industry, so that is monetized. So this means that the short time, so some solution is creating the new market. For example, logistics and transportations, or also finance areas. And then establishing the new market and expand the new market, and then so the gain and the income is reinvested to the new solution development. And then so also the academias and the national project is going to the research and develop the quantum annealing and then the realistic NISQ quantum computers and something. And then users can access these type of computers, and then creating a new service and new values, and then implement to the society and the market, and make money, make a benefit, and then reinvest to the next generation quantum computers, for example the FTQC, and then they expand to the market shown here. So we need the many types of computer have to be used, and also we have to consider which type of gain is generated in the which areas. So the both direction is very important to create the business ecosystem. And this is a general talk, and then this is somewhat the AI state G-QuAT activities. So we are now focusing on these 3 items. One of them is our use case creations. It's with first priorities. But this time, so not only quantum engineer, quantum researchers considering the new solutions. It's the important point is end users developed using quantum simulator computers, and then create the value and the solutions. So this means that the users really know some problem in each business areas. So they really understand what is value using the quantum computers. So the participation of end user is very, very important. The next one is a realistic quantum computer will be developed. And then the very important element is supply chain, so creating the new large system, and also the fabrication process for the large scale device and the circuit, and shown here. And in the case of supply chain, so the quantum computer, for example, the superconducting types quantum computers, and in the system, almost all component is not quantum device. It's existing devices. So many SMEs, for example, Japanese SMEs, have already sell the very high quality component, and also they have already they already have the very high quality, high level manufacturing process. Then so we have to access their functions and then to create the new component to use the next generation quantum computers. This is a very important point. And last one is a industrial human development, human resource development here. And then so the programming algorithm is completely different compared to the classical one. And also the hardware development is basically somewhat different because they do not operate at ambient temperature, sometimes very low temperatures. And so we need some fabrication. And also device applications, and then the talent development also important. And the quantum computers, it's just a computer, but it's completely different architectures and the system compared to the existing HPCs. And then so maintenance, how to maintenance way and the maintenance method, and then so operating method is completely different compared to the HPC. So the new types of the engineers is very important. So in the case of the solution development, so the previous slide I mentioned that the end user participation is very important. So we have to access the end users industry, societies. And then so in the AI states, we already have the 7 different industry areas. And then so new center, the G-QuAT, I manage here. And then so we access each researcher working with each areas. And each researcher already collaborate and communicate to the end users. So end users have realistic problems, and then so they really understand the values in the one. Then this type of activity is very important. Okay, this is 3 items of fabricating the commercialization of the. It is important point to the creating realistic quantum computers shown here at algorithm development and the system level development, and also the quantum chip development and so on here. So let me summarize my talk shown here. Our new R&D center in the AI Institute would like to make the global collaboration of the following the items. So because the business market is worldwide, so activity is also worldwide, should be worldwide here. And then the creating value and in the value business field produce to reinvest to the new quantum activity. So this is the business ecosystem. Thank you for your attention.